just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys how easy it is to swap out the string with elastic on the Boho String Journal from Michaels. This seems to be a very popular cover for the Traveler's Notebook. I use them myself. I don't really like the string. I mean, I like the look of it, but I don't like how it doesn't tend to stay closed. It seems to come undone all the time for me. So I just started using elastic instead. So it's really simple. First I'm just going to remove these. Okay, as you can see, it's just really simple. All you have to do is just pull this through and remove the string. Next, get elastic. I just have thin elastic. I would suggest getting a thick, round elastic. It doesn't get as twisted and tangled as the flat one does. I just have a flat one right now. Alright, just get your scissors. Now what I do is I loosely measure. I mean, this is an empty cover right now, so obviously it will be thicker, so I do kind of just leave kind of slack on here. Just wrap it around, get an idea, and you'll need to leave extra to tie the knots. So that looks pretty good. Okay. So putting the two ends together, slip it through the hole. And you're going to knot it. I had to knot my other one twice, but this might be thick enough to just have to knot it once. It all just depends, because you don't want the elastic to pull through. So one knot was good enough for that. And make sure it's tight and secured. And there you go. It is literally that simple. You can add your charms to it. If you have one like this, you will obviously want to put it on before you slip the elastic through and knot it. I hope that was helpful. I will be doing more tutorials for the Traveler's Notebook, so stay tuned. Bye!